Hey, Wayne from ChirpSounds again. Still out here walking. Can't really change my outfit, unfortunately, but I can take the hat off, take a little radiation for you, just to give you a little variability. I've been working on this for better than 15 years, or I should say thinking about it that long. Working on it for sure, at least 8 to 10, and really making progress in the last probably 5. And one of the problems is that you can't unknow what you know. So I want to get a little more elemental and basic and just go back to the question that I get more often than any other one, which is, what is it? You know, a lot of times I'll be talking to people and I'll sort of accidentally maneuver the conversation around so that they ask me what it is I do. And the answer to the question is, ChirpSounds is a way for you to bring your sound of your backyard birds back inside. Watching the birds in the winter, or even when it's in the summer and it's too hot to have the windows open, is kind of like watching TV with the sound turned off. You probably have all heard that before. And this just adds that audio back. Think of it as a microphone that hangs out by your bird feeders and connects to a speaker wirelessly inside, and it streams the sound. So what that means is you turn the unit on, you hang it out in your backyard, you connect it to the speaker one time, and then you just turn the speaker on and off and recharge the unit probably once a week. If you use it, you know, for a full 8 hours a day in the cold, you'll have to do it once a week. You can play around with it and see how long it takes in your environment with how long you listen to it. And if it's not that cold, you might get 2 weeks out of it. It's got a fairly big rechargeable battery inside. Just plug it into a USB cable that we provide. And just unfortunately at this point, it's BYO charger that you plug into the wall, but you probably already have one of those for your cell phone anyway. And if you need one, we'll have them available for you, but we just don't want to send a bunch of stuff out that people already have and have that end up in a landfill. So that's the essentials. I can drill into some more detail, but I want to keep this relatively short, and I'll be back with a different video describing some other things about it soon. Thanks. Bye.